new shoes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be unboxing shoes from VOCOSI, and I am collaborating with them to share my two favorite pairs of shoes. And I also have a discount code for you. It's Jessica, all lowercase, so you guys can also get a discount on any of these shoes. So without further ado, let's get started. Just gonna rip it open. Alright, so let's do this one first. It's very nicely packaged. Look at that. This is the first pair of shoes. This one has like beads around it, and the silky part of the shoe, very nice quality. I ordered 8.5, which is true size for me in this case. And then also the heels, I believe there are two different heights, and I got the lower one, and this is 75mm right here. I just wanted to show you guys side by side together. Look at that. Very nice quality. Also came with this thing, and I believe these are like inserts that you put in your shoes and your heels so that when your feet doesn't slip forward, because then your feet will have a lot of pressure towards the front of the feet, and that's not good. So this prevents that. This would be perfect for date nights or even wedding or any business casual formal looks. I think this is such a statement piece because it has like a sparkle. So this is nice. Next pair of shoes. Ooh. Alright, the next pair of shoes are these H-shaped leather sandals, and these are very Hermes vibes. I know Steve Madden also sells them, but they're very, very overpriced, so I would get them from here, and with my discount code. It's such nice quality. Like, the stitching is very, very clean. Now, let me show you guys up close. The stitching is very, very neat, right? For these, I also got it in 8.5, which is true to size. These are $59.99, and they come in brown, white, black, white with heels, red with heels, black with heels. So many different options, and so I would highly recommend checking them out. Oh, they also sent me this little bracelet right here with like little heart on it. That's so sweet of them. They put little gifts in each shoe box. Now I'm going to show you guys how I styled these pair of shoes. Let's go. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked my unboxing and the little try on. You guys can use the code right here so you guys can get some discount on the shoes. And I'll have the links to the exact pair of shoes that I got in the description box below so you guys can check it out. And that's it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a comment which one was your favorite. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!